Hi, I'm Stacy Kimberlane, and today we're going to learn about home renovation loans. Not just you, but me as well. I want to know a little bit more about it. So today I have Kenzie Lawlathan with All In Construction, and then Ed Ross with FBC Mortgage. So Ed, tell me, what is a home renovation loan?
A home renovation loan is a loan that you can use to purchase a home and include the cost of the renovation in the loan. And you can also use it for a refinance as well.
Okay, so I know there's a couple types of home renovation loans, maybe more, but what are the two main ones?
Your two main ones are your FHA 203K, that's been around for about 40 years, and they also have the conventional Fannie Mae home style renovation loan.
Okay, well, I have a trivia question for you all. Someone has emailed me, and so I want to ask, true or false, can you use a home renovation loan for freestanding appliances? What do you think, Kenzie? I say false.
I say true. I think you
Okay,
can.
and drum roll, what is it?
It is true.
It's
you can
true,
use it for
okay.
a refrigerator or a stove or even a washer or dryer.
Okay, all right. So, Kenzie, tell me, what is all included in a home renovation loan?
So a lot of people will use a renovation loan to fix damages, repairs, rehab, but also they'll use it for cosmetic or amenity updates like
Okay.
a kitchen or bath.
Oh, wow. And maybe even a closet,
A
bigger closet.
designer closet.
For all the ladies that are listening. Also, what clients would benefit from these types of loans?
We see a lot of different clients that use these loans, but a lot are first-time home buyers.
Okay.
And they're using them to get into a desirable neighborhood maybe they otherwise couldn't afford, and here they're finding something in their budget and renovating it.
All right, so I have another trivia question. Can you use a home renovation loan on a home that doesn't need repairs? I would say yes. True.
It is true.
I know you know.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So a lot of people historically know the loan for fixing up dilapidated or rehab properties, but now more and more people are using them just for home renovations, so cosmetic updates or amenity updates.
Or a pool, maybe?
Yes, you can do a pool with one of the loans.
If someone wants to apply for a renovation loan, how would they get in contact with you?
Well, the best thing to do is either call me on the phone or go to our website.
Okay. And Kenzie, when somebody is needing a general contractor, how and when do they contact you?
I would say contact the general contractor right away, and if you would like to contact us, just go on our website, there's a contact form, or give me a call.
Great. Well, I've learned a lot today, and I hope everyone that is watching learned about home renovation loans as well. For all your home financing needs, reach out to FBC Mortgage. Like us on Facebook or look us up at fbchomeloans.com.